What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mohammed and I'm here with another video. Today we're going to be covering 5 reasons why you should learn programming in 2023. Number 1, you learn transferable skills that can be applied to different aspects of your life, like problem solving, self-learning, analytical thinking, creativity in some instances, and even adaptability. I'll give you a very quick example. When I first started programming, I wasn't much of a problem solver, but I very quickly learned that programming is pretty much solving problems that you encounter. The quicker you can solve them, the better you become as a developer. So running into these problems, finding solutions to these problems allowed me to develop the ability to solve any problem. And now I feel like no matter what the situation is, programming or outside of programming, if you put me in that situation, I'll find a problem to solve it. In fact, there's a lot of problems in the world today that I believe I can come up with a solution for. And it's not me trying to be arrogant, but rather it's a mindset that I've developed from programming multiple years and solving problems across those years. And also, to add to that, you can combine the skills that you learn in this field to another field. So for example, if you're doing medicine, you can combine your programming knowledge with medicine. You can combine your programming knowledge with the finance work that you do. If you're an accountant, you can combine your accountancy knowledge with programming. The sky is the limit with this. Your imagination is the limit. Number 2, high demand for developers. Of course, if you want to get into a field, you need to make sure that there is space for you and that you can make a living out of it. And there's definitely a shortage of supply when it comes to developers all across the board, with different languages, whether it's PHP, whether it's Java, whether it's Python, Ruby, C#, all of that. There is a high demand and a short supply. So if you get into this industry, you are almost guaranteed to get a job as long as you make sure you learn a trade and you're good at what you do. Number 3, you unlock the ability or the potential to work in any industry, because every company or almost every single company in today's day and age requires a digital presence, right? And behind that digital presence is usually a website, a mobile application, or a desktop application that they need to run. And that's where you come in as a developer. Whether it's the public sector, health sector, finance, e-commerce, there's room for developers in every single industry. So this is one of the rare jobs that gives you the opportunity to work in multiple industries. Number 4 is the ability to work remotely. And this is one that is quite dear to me because it allows me to detach my work from my location. So I could be anywhere in the world doing the same thing that I do. And it's just great, really, to not be stuck to a specific location, becoming independent in terms of your location and your work. When I started, and I might have mentioned this before, one of my main motivations was being able to work from the beach and not having to go into an office. Previously, I would be working in different office jobs, and I've experienced what it's like to be traveling back and forth from office and the amount of time that is spent in the office, outside of it, around it, and a lot of your day is just spent for work. And to me, that is, personally, it's not a great way to spend your time. So having your work independent from your location is a great advantage, and it allows you or gives you more room to do things that you love to do during your day, and it allows you to use your time better. So that's good, right? Not every job could offer that. Last but not least, number 5 is the ability to bring new ideas into the table, bringing new ideas to existence. If you think of, or if you see a problem in the world and you don't see a solution to it around you, but you can think of a solution and you know how to program as well, then you can turn that solution into a digital product. And you can either monetize that or you can put it out for free so that people can benefit from it. And it will give you great satisfaction knowing that you've solved a real world problem just by the work that you do. So this is actually one of the reasons why I love programming, being able to solve real world problems. Like I said earlier, you learn a transferable skill in problem solving, and you can apply that to real world problems around you. And the good thing is, there's always problems. Everyone is constantly having problems because life without problems wouldn't really mean much. But it's with problems that we learn and we grow. And just to add to that, you are able to create these solutions with the knowledge that you picked up without any permission. And that's a great thing about programming. You don't need to ask someone for permission before you can develop the idea or develop the solution to a problem. All you need to know to start developing is the knowledge behind developing, right? All you need to know to start developing that solution of yours is the ability to program, knowing how to use the tools available at your disposal to create that end product that you're looking for. This is definitely one of the best reasons why I would recommend you learn programming in 2023. All right, that's it for this video, guys. If you've benefited from this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, doesn't hurt, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time.